guys, welcome to Team Invena, and I'm gonna make we call it in Tagalog or Ilocano, it's Agar Agar. In English, it's like a jelly or like gelatin. So I'm gonna make Agar Agar or gelatin made with nata de coco in tropical fruit cocktail. I don't know if you already tried this one, but I want to try if what's the result. So we will gonna put later in the fridge first, and then of course we will take the photo of the result. And some of the people, they're using the coconut, or like they're just like putting fruits in the top of it. But what I'm gonna do is I will put the nata de coco in the fruit cocktail. So first we will I'm gonna tell you first my it's not ingredients but things. So this is the agar agar powder. Okay. And this is nata de cocoa, okay, and with sugar, of course, because the fruit cocktail is already sweet, so maybe I'm just gonna put only a bit sugar, and of course 1 liter of water. So let's start. So let's boil first the water with the powder of agar agar. So it's up to you guys what you want to put. Is it white color, red color, yellow, or green? It's up to you, but I choose the red one. So let's put first the water. Then let's mix this one. I think I don't have it.
Caesar? This. There you go.
I'm back, guys. So we will put this one.
How much sugar do you need to put in the water?
How much? It depends, baby, because I'm gonna put the fruit cocktail in syrup, and some more. This is already sweet, so maybe I'm just gonna make like 1 or 2 teaspoons. Yeah. So guys, come and see. Let's just boil this one. Where's the cover? Where's the cover? Oh, I cannot find the.
Oh, it's right in front of you. Is that it? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's wait, guys, to boil this one. Okay. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for the agar agar, the jelly to boil, we will put already the fruit cocktail here together with the syrup there, and of course the nata de coco. So excited, guys. I'm also excited because it's really my first time to do this one. And now we were gonna wait for the agar agar to boil. Then after it will boil, and we will cool it down first, and then that's the time we will just gonna put it here.
Can we eat it later?
Huh?
Can we eat it later?
Nah.
Cannot?
No.
We have to wait till tomorrow?
Yeah.
For the guests?
Yeah.
What if I want it tonight when I wake up in the middle of the night?
No. Okay, guys. Guys, so it's already boiled. Ayan siya. Ayan. And then, we mix na po natin dito. Come, baby. Here. Okay. And of course, we're just gonna mix like this. Ayan. Then, i-wait natin na maging jelly-jelly siya hanggang mag-dry siya. See, babe?
Is this all for me?
Now for all the people.
Oh.
For all the people. For our best visitor tomorrow. So, ayan siya, guys. Mag-jelly-jelly to tomorrow. So, ayan. Dami kong so. Then, let's just make it cool before we will put into the fridge. And then tomorrow, we will also see what's the result. Because it's my first time to do this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching our videos, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so this is the result yesterday. Kahit ihulog natin. Char. Ayan. So tikman natin. We will try this one. You want, baby?
Yes, I do want it.
Do we have the... We will try, guys, huh? Maybe here na lang. So I put in the fridge for like it's not one day but overnight. So guys, I didn't put a lot of sugar into the jelly because the fruit cocktail, is it? Yeah, the fruit cocktail in the nata de coco, it's already sweet. So it's not good if the jelly is really too sweet.
What about me? Can I taste it too? Hold the camera. I'll just do a little switcheroo here. So if anyone is wondering why I can't fit my pants anymore, it's because my wife is an excellent chef. Oh. Just try.
Okay.
Let me try it. Wait.
It's not that sweet, baby, but if you have the fruits, of course, it's like, it's what?
So delicious. No, it's not super sweet. It's a little bit sweet. Just exactly the right amount of sweetness. It's delicious. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. Have a nice day. Comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell. Thumbs up. You know the deal. Bye bye.